Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, men and women, fellas and females? Welcome to another day talking about the stock market. It's Sunday. The market is closed right now, but we still got some game to give y'all. I still want to talk about call options and puts. All right. So I'm going to make it brief for y'all. I want the hood to learn. I want the less fortunate to learn this. Everybody that's already in the game and got a lot of money and all of that, they already aware this is not pretty much for them. But if so, it's for you as well, if you're interested. I want to first indicate the fact that I need y'all to do one thing. And that's go to the club and grind against that like button. Grind against that like button. Press that like button. Subscribe. Share this video. Send it out to your people that's struggling with finance issues, that's trying to learn a different way to make some money, because I'm about to go in detail in the most simplest way. I'm not here to sound like I'm the most professionalist, the most smartest, that I have more brains than y'all. It's just that I have some knowledge to spill, and I'm here on this earth for a purpose, and that's to help, give to the people. Okay? So I want y'all to understand that we're going to talk about what calls do and what puts do. And number one, calls, they go up, puts go down. Simple as that. All right. And I want y'all to understand the fact that when you do a call and a put, they both have a stock price and a strike price. Okay. So your stock price can be, for example, $5. Let's just say for $5. That's the stock price. Okay. And your strike price can be $5.50, which will be 5.5. Or it could be a 4.5 or 4. These is called strike prices. And these strike prices come with premiums. Okay. So remember, you have a strike price and you have a stock price. All right. The strike price is what you betting on, okay? Which, remember, the stock price is $5. It go to $5.50, and it come from $4.50 to $5, okay? You got in the money and out the money, okay? In the money is going towards the amount, which is up, which is the call, and out the money is going down when you got a call, okay? At the money is right at the $5. All right. So I don't mean to confuse y'all. I'm going to make it a little simple because I'm going to actually show y'all this before I just end this video without even giving you the example that you can really understand. Me explaining it can be a little more difficult than actually seeing it yourself. So I want y'all to understand that a call go up and a put go down. Okay. So for instance, if the $5 strike price, okay, well, actually the $5.50 strike price is what you have. Once that hit go up on a call and it hit that $5.50 break even price, it could be a break even price of, I'll say $4.55 or something like that. You know, it could be a break even price. So you have the break even price. You got to hit that. Once you hit the break even price, you start making money afterwards. So after it go from 5, then the 10, then the 15, you do the math, and you got to have 100 shares. All right, so we're going to use GE, for example, General Electric. Okay, so when you're trying to do a trade option, okay, you'll have the stock, and you'll pretty much go into trade here. You'll go into trade options. Okay. Now, the further you put it out, for instance, November the 27th, December the 4th, December the 11th, December the 18th, it costs more. So, for instance, if I wanted to do a $10 call, right? Now, the share price is $9.73. All right. Now, I can do a $10 call or a 9.5, which is a $9.50 call. Okay. Now these both have premiums. This is 36 cents and this is 13 cents. Now this is 36 cents a share, which means you got to buy 100 of them. So that means this will be $36 and this will be $13. The reason why this is cheaper, okay, for instance, you get one $13, all right, to do that play to the 27th. Okay, so it goes more. See how it went up 45 and then went up to 22. The further it go, that's 54 cents, which means it's $54, and this is $29 to do these calls. Okay, this is actually great. Can't beat that with a bat to go all the way up there. All right, so all right, going back to the 27th, which will be this Friday coming up, right? So it's $36 to do this. So this is the reason why this is cheaper than this 36, because the break even, this will have to get to 1013 for you to start making money. But it'll get to 986 faster than they would get the 1013 break even price. That's why it's $36 and it's 13. So when you scroll down here, is more. It's more. For instance, it's $9.73. Look, this break-even price on the $8 call is $9.76. That means you pay $176 for it to hit $9.76, and that's when you start making money. And then that was funny. That's when you start making money. All right. So what's going to happen is it's going to accumulate, and you'll have an infinite amount of cash that's accumulating once you purchase these calls. Okay. And it's the same thing with the put. If you buy a put, all right, if you buy a put, it have to go under these. You got $11 premium. You got the $37 premium nearby, the $9.73. Okay. So once it hit $9.39 for $11, once it hit $9.39 and they go under that, that's when you start making your money. Okay. And as far as the $37 one is at $9.73, once it hit under $9.63 and they go down, you're betting it to go down, that's when you start making money. All right. So that's how that works. When it comes to selling, I'm gonna make this pretty much brief. You gotta have the covered call. So basically, you want to have GE, you want to have the General Electric shares, you want to have at least 100 shares of those to cover. Because if you don't win this, if you don't do this right, you'll have to buy 100 of them specifically for the amount of the share price. And not everybody have that collateral. Okay, so it's the same thing on the opposite side. It's just that when you don't, for instance, when you're selling these, you're saying that it won't go under the premium. You're saying that it won't go under the break even. That's what you're saying. Okay. And when you're selling a call, you're saying that it won't go past the 1013. That's what you're saying when you're selling it. And if it does go past the 1013, break even on a $10 call, if it does go past that while you're selling these, it's out of the money. Okay, you lose that. So you'll have to buy 100 of those amongst your collateral. Same thing. If it does go past the 986, same exact thing. Okay, on the $9.5 call. So it have to stay within the range when you're selling the calls. It's pretty much the opposite. It's like the calls go down and the puts goes up on the opposite when you're selling. That's what that's like. Okay. So me personally, I stick to buying. I don't deal with the sales at the present time. Just focus on buying and building up the portfolio that way. But I want y'all to understand doing options is where it's at. I hope y'all get the method. If y'all need further conversation about this, feel free to reach out to me and we can have a one-on-one coaching, and I'll be more than willing to assist you with further details. All right, YouTube. So I'm glad I was able to break it down a little brief for y'all to get the greatest energy in the world and want to do call options and puts. If y'all have more questions, put it down in the comments. We can discuss matters. We can talk about it, and I can go in a little detail, one-on-one coaching. Get with me, like, subscribe, share the video. I'm going to have videos like this every day. And remember, leaders run with leaders, winners roll with winners, and followers always follow good leaders. All right? Good followers always follow good leaders. All right? So y'all be safe out there. Stay positive. Keep positive energy around you. And if you smell negativity, run away from it. Not negativity. Don't even let it get to that long. Don't even let the word get that long. Just the negativity. You smell it, run away from it. All right? Somebody acting like they tough over there and act like they could beat the world, or they talking nonsense, run from them. All right? And we positivity over here. We trying to help each other build, help each other win. All right? Peace and love, everyone. Like, subscribe, and share the video most of all. Your boy, Stock Market.